Alright guys, welcome back. Got a little bit more done today. Went ahead and mounted the inner pipe ring. Had to do a little bit of trimming. Yeah, it's kind of see basically where those little bumps go all the way around and touch the pipe. Just took a little Dremel and put a little groove in there, which made it nice and a nice fit. Simple 4 screws that attach the inner ring to the outer ring. They were pre-drilled, everything lined up good, and then you can kind of see right up there in the top corner, which is that right there. That's a screw. There's 4 of those on each side. Well, 4 total. 2 top, 2 bottom, and that's the mounting for the actual exhaust. Alright, so got the pipe in there. I'm in the process of making some blocks to go right here on the front side and the back side, because it only has those two small blocks glued in, and that's what you screw the mounts to. So I was just going to put one more ply block on each side, have 2 screws, and you know, I'd asked on the forums about the pipe. I was kind of wondering, you know, how far, you know, if it's supposed to stick out any, if it's supposed to be flush, and I guess it all depends on the diameter. You know, the bigger it is, you know, probably the further you can have it in, but mine's going to be pretty close to the end, if not flush when I'm done, so it shouldn't be a problem. Maybe a little bit inside, not too bad. I'm going to go ahead and do that next. After I get the blocks cut, I'm going to glue them in. Go ahead and put the mounts in, let that be drying, and then go ahead and get the bypass trimmed up a little bit, because due to the fact that I got to have 1.5 inches from the bell mouth, which isn't on there yet, from the bell mouth to the back of the turbine, you have to push the turbine a little bit forward, and you'll have to trim out a little bit on the back side of the bypass, which is right here. Yeah, not much of it though, just a little bit. Won't take much, and then probably a little bit right here for the wiring and the fuel tubing on the actual turbine. But once I get that done, I'll take some pictures, and actually I'll make a video of mounting the pipe and everything in. Till then, just a small short little video, give you guys an update. Elevator and rudders, or rudder and elevators are done. The aircraft, I put the bolts in to join it, and I did a mod to did my little mod to the nose wheel steering. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. I took it was kind of a flimsy rod, almost the size of 256, so took a carbon rod, ran it over that, and then I actually put a ball end on the end of it instead of the piece that they had. So hopefully that'll work. If I have any issues with it, I'll just replace the rod with a stiffer rod. Other than that, that's about it. So I'm gonna get back to work. I'll talk to you guys later.